So today we are going to talk about Jeremiah's personal life, and we are going to start by reading Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 1 to 3. Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 1 to 3. We read the Bible. And because there are only 3 verses, I want all of us to read at the same time.
Until the activity of Jerusalem